Hello, trader. Admit it. There was a situation when you opened a chart and didn't know where to look at all. You're not alone. At the start, a trader's path always looks like a maze. Candles, levels, indicators, news. And everything is filled with terms and requires dozens of hours of learning. What if I told you that you could skip this top house and start with the most interesting part? With profit. Without spending weeks on theory and without making mistakes due to lack of knowledge, but moving forward right away, together with someone who already knows everything, with my trading robot. Today, I'll tell you all about it in detail, and in the meantime, give a like and subscribe to the channel. Well, in the meantime, I'll open my first trade, the currency pair, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. We select it on the trading robot and set a 1-minute expiration. We receive a ready signal for further price increase, so I immediately open a trade for the continuation of the rise. In the meantime, we'll wait for it to conclude. Imagine that you have at your disposal not just a program but an entire intelligent system, created like the brain of an experienced trader, only faster and more accurate. This trading robot is not a template product, but the result of deep development, dozens of hours of testing, and analysis of thousands of market situations. At its core are algorithms capable of instantly reading the market state, recognizing recurring patterns, and assessing the strength of movements. It can also predict probabilities with an accuracy unattainable for an ordinary person. And while an ordinary trader is contemplating entering a trade, the bot has already analyzed all key time frames, accounted for volatility, compared current data with historical data, and generated a ready trading signal. And all of this in seconds. And most importantly, it doesn't get tired, doesn't doubt, and doesn't get distracted. It works for results. And all of this for you because I made it accessible. You can connect this trading robot via the link in the description below this video. Its setup is extremely simple and requires no special investments. That means there are no subscriptions or any conditions. Everything is simple, everything is clear, and you can connect it right now to start earning. And you might not even have experience, you might not even know what Japanese candlesticks are. But you don't need that at the start, because the bot already does everything for you. It evaluates the current market situation, checks several time frames, and tracks buy or sell signals. And all of this in real time. And all you have to do is replicate its actions. And connecting takes 2 minutes. The whole process is clear and suitable even for those who are hearing the word trading for the first time. The interface is simple. You choose a currency pair, specify the expiration time. I recommend specifying from 1 to 5 minutes. And then all that's left is to follow the signal. As simple as possible. And meanwhile, I can record the first profit for today. There is the first profit from the open trade. I opened the trade with a trading robot. The analysis is correct, so we have a profit. And therefore, I suggest not wasting time and opportunities and move on to selecting the next currency pair. Let's choose this currency pair on the broker itself. We choose a pair with a high payout percentage. Let it be the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And now, all that remains is to select the same currency pair on the trading robot, set the expiration time, receive the ready signal, and open our second trade. Now we wait for it to conclude. And it's also important to understand that a trading robot is not a magic button. But there is a system here, and a system is what beginners lack. Many people quit trading when they start because they don't know where to go. With the bot, you'll have direction, you'll stop guessing and start seeing. And when you see, you learn. This is how real market understanding is formed through practical work, not dry theories on the internet. And I personally use this trading robot daily. And I can confidently say that it can be not only the beginning of your journey, but also a full-fledged partner throughout your growth stage. You can start with a minimal deposit, trade literally 2-3 deals a day, and already see results. And if you add the desire to understand, you'll start noticing how you begin to predict movements yourself. This is growth. The bot is not a replacement for you, but an enhancement. It will help you achieve results faster and then solidify them with understanding and confidence. Well, if you're still in doubt, just join my open Telegram channel. I also left the link to it in the description below this video, and there you can see how I demonstrate the use of this trading robot daily. I share results, trades, and signals, as well as explain the logic of entry. Everything is as transparent as possible. And most importantly, this bot is also available completely free of charge. No subscriptions, paid entries, or hidden conditions. Just follow the link in the description, connect, and start. Want to test on a demo? No problem. Want to start right away with real money? The bot can handle that too. And also, don't think that if you're a beginner, you can't start earning right away. That's old thinking. Today, you can enter trading like a business where you already have a professional ally. Yes, you can make mistakes because it's part of the process, but with the bot, you're not alone. In the meantime, let's take a break and note the second positive for today. We have a profit from 2 trades out of 2 opened, and I can definitely tell you that it's time to stop endless learning without practice. Real experience comes when you work with the actual market. And the bot will help you safely enter this environment, feel the dynamics, and start earning without stress. With it, you don't need to spend dozens of hours watching courses, analyzing charts, and fearing losing money. All you need to do is open the platform, connect the robot, and let it guide you. You will receive signals, trade, learn, and grow, and profit comes as a natural result of consistent work and understanding. So, if you've wanted to start for a long time but didn't know where to begin, start with the best by connecting the trading robot via the link in the description. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, follow the signals, ask questions, learn in the process, and earn. This is your chance to enter the world of trading easily and confidently and with maximum support. Because with such a tool, experience is no longer necessary, but the result is very real. Well, I'll say goodbye to you. See you soon. Bye-bye.